Oh, perfect. Hey, okay, here's my code. Let's get this over with. There it is. There's all the stuff up there. You can see my mouse. I really hope you can. There's the loop, the setup with all the stuff. Good old code. Let's run the thing. Okay, wait, excuse me. Here we go. Oh, it's uploading. Let's give it a quick sec. Just like that. Presto. And if I, oh, yeah, let's get the, I hope you can see that, because I can't tell. So I'm going to press this button, and look, it's going to go to Celsius, just like that. Then I'm going to touch the thing, and it's going to make the sound and turn red. Oh, there it is. I don't know, it'll cool back down. And, yeah. Oh, there it is, it's green again. Oh, never mind. Okay, cool.